Hey, what's up? Gonna do this prayer. Resuscitate a dead marriage. Let's get it. Page 432. Book, prayer ring. See what's up. Did me good so far, so it's good. Let's see what's up. Resuscitate a dead marriage. Ezekiel 37:110. Whoever is dead in regarding as irrevocable, but the paradox of red-hot prayer is that when embarked upon, it is capable of calling dead things into life. To this end, you can call your long-forgotten dead marriage back to life. Luca 1:37. For with Tatna Zambi, nothing shall be impossible. We serve Tatna Zambi that knows no impossibility. The word impossible is not in his vocabulary. The angel asked Sarah, is anything too hard for Tatna Zambi Yamazulu? I am asking you today, is anything too hard for Tatna Zambi? Is it impossible for Tatna Zambi to resurrect your dead marriage? The answer you give to these questions will determine the outcome of this prayer. If you believe that nothing is too difficult for Tatna Zambi, it is possible for Tatna Zambi to resurrect your dead marriage. Then Tatna Zambi will step into your situation and restore the love between your spouse and yourself. There have been testimonies of couples who were separated for several years, coming together again by the sovereign decision of Tatna Zambi Yamazulu. One spouse could get born again and begin to pray, and Tatna Zambi Yamazulu will reunite the two. In your case, if your case seems hopeless, these prayer points are for you. Tatna Zambi, who specializes in doing the impossible, will step into your situation and resurrect your dead marriage. Beautiful. Confession. John 11:25. Yissa Yah Kongo said unto her, I am the resurrection and the life. He that believeth in me, though he were dead, yet shall he live. Romans 4:17. As it is written, I have made thee a father of many nations, before him whom he believed, even Tatna Zambi, who quickeneth the dead, and calleth those things which be not as though they were. Praise and worship. Thank you, Mfumu Tatna Zambi, for your resurrection power. Ooh yeah. Thank you, Yissa Yah Kongo. Thank you. Ask the Mfumu to forgive you or whoever may be directly or indirectly involved in the death. Yeah, forgiveness. Forgive me. I did a lot of crazy things. Forgive me, Mfumu. Forgive me, Tatna Zambi. And I command my marriage to come alive in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Mfumu Yissa Yah Kongo. Walk back into every second of my marital life and heal all the wounds created by the enemy. Ooh. Yissa Yah Kongo Mfumu. Walk back into every second of my marital life and heal all the wounds created by the enemy. Let the breath of life enter into the foundation of my marriage and make it whole in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let all satanic forces contributing to killing my marriage be paralyzed in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let all marriage killers be paralyzed in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let every activity of household enemies of my marriage be paralyzed in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let my partner begin to have dreams and visions that will lead to the resurrection of my marriage in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let Tatna Zambi Yamazulu arise and let the enemies of my home scatter in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I remove my marriage from the grip of power that put it asunder in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let all the enemies of settled home living around me scatter in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let the spirit of life enter into my blood of my marriage in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let all the glory that has departed from my marriage be restored in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let all the virtues stolen from my marriage be restored sevenfold in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let the anointing to prosper maritally fall upon me in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Mfumu Yissa Yah Tatna Zambi, let divine sense enter into our relationship. I fire back every arrow of the enemy fired at my marriage in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let all the powers sucking the peace of my home be rendered impotent in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I retrieve my marriage from the altar of satanic destruction in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let the blood of Yissa Yah Kongo erase all past unprofitable memories of my marital relationship. I bind every evil spirit of demonic independence in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let the resurrection power of Mfumu Yissa Yah Kongo fall upon my marriage in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I remove my name from the book of broken homes in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Mfumu, remove the heart of all the excuses of not wanting to face the difficulties of marriage. Mfumu, remove the heart of the intention of seeking greener grass in marriage. Let the corpse of my marriage revive receive fire in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Pray in the spirit for at least 10 minutes. Thank the Mufumu for answered prayers. I'm gonna pray in the spirit. Okay, I'm gonna pray in the spirit. Thank you, Yissa Yah Kongo. Thank you for healing my marriage. Thank you. Healing for my wife. Heal all affection. Go right now. Daughter completely healed and free. Yissa Yah Kongo, daughter completely healed and free. Healing, more healing over my life, healing over my marriage. Love, Zola, in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Zola, feel better.